Soul sounds like that.
Hi, anong pangalan mo?
I'm Marica Tifuliaro, 17 years old po, from Calapan Oriental, Mindoro.
Wow, parang feeling ko
She
parang
was
pause
rapping
ka.
the whole thing.
Pause ka ba? Medyo
May ubo
pause.
po.
May ubo ka, tapos you sound like that na may ubo ka. Paano na lang pag wala
Nice.
kang ubo? Kathleen, paano mong i-describe ang sarili mo?
I'm beautiful and confidently chubby po. Yes po.
Oh, I like that.
Sobrang gusto ko yung boses mo. Sobrang gusto ko yung song choice mo. Challenging siya kasi it's a mix of two different things. Yung kumakata ka, tapos medyo nag-rap ka. Sobrang excited ako marinig ko ano pong kaya mong gawin kung talagang 100% yung lalamunan mo at yung pakiramdam mo.
Wala naman mali. Taster's choice ang tawag ko dyan eh. Na may nahanap lang ako sa atake mo sa kanta na to. But as you said, may ubo ka pa, ng konti, you know, hindi ka 100%, pero yan ang mark of an artist, no? No matter what, the show must go on, di ba?
Yes,
So, I appreciate that. So, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Pasok ka.
Yeah. Kathleen, sa sobrang galing mo, sa sobrang lakas ng boses mo,
Oh, there.
sumisigaw ko kanina dahil soul, yung boses mo may soul. Parang yung buhay mo, na dumaan ka sa marami. Now, you got married, you got divorced, you got remarried, you have 19 children, then you got hurt by someone. Parang yung boses mo, talagang may soul. That's why I turned around. I want that kind of voice on Mar Team. Thank you. Thank you for being on Mar Team. Kathleen! You ready? You ready to work?
Yes po.
I can't wait till you're well. Kathleen Martin.